Back here at Thompson Drag Raceway, got my buddy Tim over here. I'm gonna do a short video with Tim on his car and show you guys the 460 big block street car that he has. You know, I ran a 1258 last week. 1260 is pretty much on the money. I'm gonna go repeat that, change the plugs in it. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna line up and we're gonna make this hit with the car pretty much bone cold. So hopefully I can get in line and get in the staging area where it's cold. Tim's gonna take a quick video of it. I'm gonna make a quick pass.
1249, 107.
We went down the track. I'm very happy with that pass. Just doing kind of a clickbait video, something that's, you know, 2 minutes. I'm not trying to bore you guys, but Dad's old blue car, stock motor, stock T5. It's got 373 gears in it. There's no mods in the damn thing except that old school 30-year-old A-trim, which if you checked out my other videos, you already know. But my pass was really cool. A 16060, 1249 at 107.9. All I did is change the plugs last week, so I'm not gonna say that's what it was, but the air is a lot better than it was last week, even though it's still hot. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Instead of doing a 15-minute video of the car, I figured I would just give you something to watch tonight. So enjoy. I'm gonna get Timmy's car tomorrow. Couple minutes, no big deal. Big block coupe. Stay tuned.